Oil is closing in on $120 a barrel, and Washington looks ready to do something about it. Because when oil gets near that level, governments start to panic. And if we look back at the data, history shows us exactly why. Around $120 a barrel is the point where oil stops being just a commodity and starts acting like a tax on the entire global economy. Transport gets more expensive, shipping gets more expensive, fertilizer gets more expensive, food follows soon after. And right now the pressure is building in one place, the Strait of Hormuz. This narrow strip of water between Iran and the Arabian Peninsula carries roughly a fifth of the world's seaborne oil and gas. Normally it is one of the busiest energy corridors on Earth, tankers moving constantly, energy flowing freely. But suddenly that flow has slowed dramatically. Reports suggest ship movements through the strait have collapsed from well over 100 daily passages to just a handful getting through. Some vessels are turning away, others are delaying transit, and some ships that do pass are said to be paying enormous sums simply for safe passage. In other words, the world's most important energy corridor is starting to look less like a shipping lane and more like a toll booth. And that is why Washington is paying attention. Because when oil starts pushing toward $120 a barrel, the global economy begins to wobble. So the real question now is simple. Does the United States step in to break the blockade? Or does the world learn what happens when the most important oil route on Earth turns into a toll booth? Which takes us right back to the beginning. Oil is closing in on $120 a barrel, and Washington may be about to do something about it.